Okay, so I was browsing on Amazon and I saw this product. So I stumbled upon the price, and it was 18.99 Indian rupees, and then it was a Amazon's choice. So it's a relatively unknown brand, so I did not hear about uh, the brand or the name, but it looks impressive because it's quite small when not extended, but it extends up to 61 inches and could be handy if you're using a smartphone or your mirrorless camera because it also is a aluminum alloy and with a combination of plastic. But what I felt was this is pretty much a plasticky product, and you'll have to be careful while using it. So jumping on with the unboxing. So the package came in. It was delivered express, and then I received the product within within a day, and it was well packaged. So once we opened this particular product, uh, so neatly packaged, so no complaints on that, and it looks like it has been imported to India in Bangalore, and then it was shipped to me to the place where I stay. And if I look inside the package, it comes with the product itself. There you go. So the product is good. It's high quality, definitely. It's called the Selfie stick tripod. Now, the first thing that I noticed is that the included battery is not a rechargeable one, right? So there you go. That's the uh, documentation. It's very simple and small, and it comes with the instructions to pair the Bluetooth. But the battery it's a CR type battery, so it's going to be painful to remove it and then finding a replacement for it. It's not a rechargeable one, um, and that might be a problem. Yeah, and that was not easily noticeable on the product page on Amazon. This comes with both the headers for holding a mirrorless camera or DSLR, as well as a smartphone. So that is a neat trick. I do not have that on our other selfie sticks. So it has got a good base. If you are not too much top heavy, then it's fine. I tried out with the smartphone indoors, uh, and the first thing that I could get a hang of is how far I can reach. So I try to reach on the fan, and as you can see, it's not that bad. So thanks for watching. Do share.